Hello there, my name's Adam. Welcome back to the channel Kaputy Inc. This is Fat Guy Reviews. We're going to review a high-end kitchen knife from Jesse James Culinary. Let's get kicking. Alright, I'm Adam. I see you may be admiring my mustache. That's for other videos I do on the internet, if you know what I'm saying. Check me out on the hub. But today we're talking about Jesse James Culinary. I do believe this is a 9-inch kitchen knife. It's supposedly handmade by him in Austin, Texas. It's got a lot of nice features on it I really like. You got your thumb grip here. Extra grip, so if you're cutting, sometimes you do a little cut maneuver like this. Baby shark. Anyways, it's got a great balance. Hold the handle right here. Let's see if we can. Yeah. Nice balanced knife. Feels great in the hand. I got a big paw, and it fits in my hand extremely well. It's been able to hold an edge, which is great because I'm a tub of lard and I enjoy eating food. So this helps me prepare it. We're going to slice up a nice steak I got over here. Got a little cowboy ribeye in the pan. Check it out.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people.
There's the question. Is the knife worth the several $100s it costs? Absolutely. Especially if you think you'd have sex with Jesse James. Which, no homo, but at the same time, if I had to, I guess I'd do it. Do I secretly dislike this knife because it's seriously contributed to my oversized, portly dimensions? No. I'm happy with me. You know, I'm like that Stuart Smalley guy or whatever. But yeah, great knife. Easy to keep sharp. It's got these little reliefs cut into it or whatever. I'm not sure what that does, but it makes it look great. It keeps its edge really well. Thumb grip, awesome. Big handle for big hands. Just love it. Cuts through the steak. No problemo. Oh, delicious steak. Good stuff. Hope you've enjoyed this Fat Guy review. I would highly recommend one of these knives, especially if you're a fanboy. So, like the video if you found it interesting. Comment if you want to tell me I'm handsome. Maybe you want to tell me I'm an idiot or a fat piece of shit. Either way, I appreciate the correspondence. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.